Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're introducing what might just be the best vegan face serum for dry skin, the Pacifica Vegan Collagen Complex Face Serum. If you've been searching for a clean, ethical, and hydrating serum that doesn't compromise on results, you're going to want to stick around for this one. This serum is powered by a plant-based collagen complex and hyaluronic acid, creating a formula designed to flood your skin with hydration and lock it in. If your skin often feels dull, tight, or flaky, this could be the game changer you've been missing. One of the standout features is its ability to hold up to 1,000 times its weight in water, instantly plumping and revitalizing dry or tired-looking skin. Think dewy, soft, and fresh, even after a long day. Let's take a closer look at what's inside. The star ingredients include vegan collagen peptides that mimic the effects of traditional collagen to support elasticity and firmness. Partnered with hyaluronic acid, these ingredients go deep into the skin's surface to provide long-lasting moisture and help smooth fine lines that are caused by dehydration. Over time, the serum supports a bouncier and more youthful-looking skin texture. Then there's aloe vera and camellia japonica seed oil. These work behind the scenes to calm redness, reduce irritation, and feed your skin with antioxidants. Add to that the calming floral extracts like jasmine, orange blossom, and chamomile, and you have a serum that's both effective and sensorially soothing. The texture is lightweight, non-greasy, and fast-absorbing. It's perfect for layering under makeup or other skincare products. No stickiness, no residue, just smooth, supple skin. Whether your skin is dry, oily, or sensitive, this dermatologist-tested formula is gentle enough for daily use, morning or night. What makes this serum even more impressive is its commitment to clean beauty. It's completely vegan and cruelty-free, made without harsh chemicals like parabens, sulfates, phthalate, or mineral oil. A recyclable glass bottle, so you're not just caring for your skin, but also the planet. The Pacifica Vegan Collagen Complex Face Serum delivers powerful hydration, visible firming, and a glow that says I've got my skincare together. With ethical sourcing and a clean ingredient list, it's a standout option for anyone looking to elevate their skincare routine without compromise. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you're looking to invest in a serum that supports your skin and your values, this one is definitely worth checking out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more honest reviews on products that actually work. See you in the next one.